and have some fun. We're gonna open up the boxes, set up the CDJs, and we're gonna have some fun. Look at that. Oh, cables. Shiny. So the RCs are right here, and they connect to, oh shit, connect to right there. You see it? So it says audio out, all right, left. Take this one into line. Red right, red right, red right. Well, so you see it. And also an important thing, you gotta plug the Ethernet cable so they're linked, so you only need to use one USB drive. This thing. Nope, upside down. Put the other one. Yeah. Power cable. Get this end right here. Sure that's snug. Sure that's snug. Lights up. Whoa, crazy. So what you want to do when you update the firmware, we got to restart the thingy. So you turn it off, and then what you want to do is when you restart it, you want to hold down the USB button right here, USB, and you're going to hold down the reloop exit button. Hold down the USB and the reloop button, and then I'm going to turn it on. And then it'll show this thingy. What you want to do, see it says connect USB storage device into top USB ports. You'll take your USB, and then you're going to connect it into the blinking thing right here. And then it'll update. So we're going from 1.8.3 to 1.85. So it doesn't take that long. 17% percentage. All right. So yeah, that's how you update it.